How to remove phone app from the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Wallpaper and Style. After click on Wallpaper and Style, click on Lock Screen. After click on lock screen, if you want to change and remove phone app from the lock screen, click on this phone app and click on no app. After click on no app, you will see phone app is removed. If you want to add another app, click on this plus icon. So you will add app from here. After add app, click on done. You will see phone app is removed on lock screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can remove phone app from the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.